In this problem, we're going to determine whether the following arguments are inductive or deductive arguments. First, let's review what these two things mean. Inductive arguments start out with very specific details, and from there we're supposed to perform a general conclusion. Whereas a deductive argument has general details to form a specific conclusion. So let's go back. Determine whether the following is inductive or deductive. The last mayor was honest. The current mayor is honest. All mayors are honest. So these first two statements, the last mayor was honest, that's very specific. That's one person was honest. The current mayor is honest, also very specific. Whereas at the end, all mayors are honest is what we're supposed to be concluding. That's very general. And so this first statement is inductive reasoning. Letter B. Every word has the letter E in it. Therefore, your name has the letter E in it. Now, regardless of whether this is true, that doesn't matter. Every word having a letter E in it is very general. Every word is a lot. It's very general. And then it comes down to being very specific. Therefore, your name has a letter E in it. And so that is deductive reasoning. Moving from general to specific. Letter C, a little bit more difficult here. Every day for the past year, a plane flies over my house at 2 p.m. Conclusion, a plane will fly over my house every day at 2 p.m. Those sound like the same statement. But notice the second one's the future, okay? Whereas the first one's the past. Every day for the past year, a plane flies over my house. That's very specific. We have 365 specific details of a plane flying over your house. To then make the conclusion that a plane will fly over your house every day at 2 p.m. is very general. In general, this is what is going to happen in the future. And so that's an inductive reasoning. And lastly, all cats are mammals, and a tiger is a cat. So a tiger is a mammal. All right, so that last statement, that's the conclusion. Okay, so we have these first two parts. All cats are mammals. That's very general. A tiger is a cat. That's also general. There are different tigers. But saying that it is a cat is very general. Determining after that a tiger is a mammal based on the first two statements is very specific. And so this is deductive reasoning.